Now let us discuss about how parallel stream work. Okay, so these are the four intermediate operations happens in case of parallel processing, which are data partitioning, task distribution, concurrent processing, and result aggregation. Let us discuss one by one. So first is data partitioning. So in case of data partitioning, so let us say that there is a underlying framework which is responsible for creating multiple threads, managing it, and assigning data to process it. So when we create parallel stream, the underlying framework divides the data into smaller partition, and those partitions are assigned to the threads. Okay. Second is task distribution. So basically the framework distributes all these partitions to the available threads from the thread pool. It creates a thread pool and it uses those threads to assign this partitioned task. Okay. So the data partitioning is done, tasks are assigned. Now third is to process them, right? So third is concurrent processing. So basically the tasks which are assigned this data to process, they are going to execute them concurrently. So basically, they utilized maximum CPU here, maximum core of CPU is utilized during this concurrent processing. Okay. Once the processing is completed, then the result from each thread is merged together, and that is going to produce the final result. So framework is again going to take care of aggregating the results from multiple threads who were concurrently processing the data, and then it merges into a final result, and that is returned finally. So these are the four important steps. Once we first we partition the data, then we allocate to individual threads, then those threads are going to process. Finally, the data will be merged and it will be aggregated, and then finally it will be returned. So these are the four important steps while parallel processing. Okay.